Learn how to crush your next assignment and maximize your potential with ChatGPT's prompts. Start your journey to academic success today. From my previous videos, I am sure you basically know what ChatGPT is and its capabilities. Now, let's tap into the full potential of ChatGPT's personalized prompts, which are designed to help you tackle your assignments and assessments with confidence and achieve your academic goals. Prompts for ChatGPT are text inputs provided by users to get a response from the AI. Prompts can be as simple or complex as desired, and can cover a wide range of topics and subject matter. Simple prompts are typically short and direct, such as a single question or sentence. They are useful when the user wants a quick and straightforward response from the AI. Examples of simple prompts are as follows. 1. Explain the concept of photosynthesis in plants. 2. How does Newton's third law of motion apply in real-life situations? 3. Describe the circulatory system and its functions in the human body. 4. Analyze the role of enzymes in biological processes. 5. Help me create a timeline of the major events of the French Revolution. 6. Can you help me understand the impact of the scientific revolution on modern society? Complex prompts, on the other hand, are more detailed and may involve multiple questions or sentences. They are useful when the user wants to provide the AI with more information or context to generate a more nuanced and comprehensive response. With these prompts, you can unlock the full potential of ChatGPT and explore a world of fascinating topics and ideas. Here are some instructions for creative complex prompts. 1. Essay writing. Ask ChatGPT to write a persuasive essay of 400 to 500 words on a given topic, including both an introduction and a conclusion. You can increase the word count and formatting as needed. Prompt. I want you to act as an essay writer. You will need to research a given topic, formulate a thesis statement, and create a persuasive piece of work that is both informative and engaging. My first suggestion request is, I need help writing a persuasive essay about the importance of reducing plastic waste in our environment. If that isn't enough, you can also edit the prompt to increase word count and improve formatting. Further prompt. The essay must be of at least 1,000 words and should have proper headings and subheadings. 2. Title generator. Ask ChatGPT to generate fancy titles for your keywords. It generates 10 unique titles based on the context of the keywords. Prompt. I want you to act as a fancy title generator. I will type keywords via comma and you will reply with fancy titles. My first keywords are API, test, automation. This is a very simple prompt to generate engaging titles for keywords you provide. By default, it generates 10 unique titles. This can be a very handy prompt for blog writers and students. 3. English translation and correction. Speak to ChatGPT in any language, and it will detect and translate it to corrected and improved English. It will only provide the correction, improvement, and not write explanations. Prompt. I want you to act as an English translator, spelling corrector and improver. I will speak to you in any language and you will detect the language, translate it and answer in the corrected and improved version of my text, in English. I want you to replace my simplified low-level words and sentences with more beautiful and elegant, upper-level English words and sentences. Keep the meaning same, but make them more literary. I want you to only reply the correction, the improvements and nothing else. Do not write explanations. My first sentence is, Innovación en educación. Como la tecnología está transformando la forma en que aprendemos. By the way, this is Spanish. 4. Generate engaging stories. Ask ChatGPT to tell an interesting story on a topic of your choice. It will choose the theme itself and focus on the moral you want to highlight. Prompt. I want you to act as a storyteller. You will come up with entertaining stories that are engaging, imaginative and captivating for the audience. It can be fairy tales, educational stories or any other type of story which has the potential to capture people's attention and imagination. My first request is, I need an interesting story on perseverance, for college students. With this, ChatGPT will tell a story on the topic provided without copying content from anywhere. It will choose the theme itself. You just need to provide the moral you want to focus on. 5. Math. Can ChatGPT solve math problems? The answer is yes and no. It can solve these problems, but struggle with these. ChatGPT is not specifically programmed to solve mathematical problems. While it can handle some basic mathematical problems, it may not be able to provide solutions to more complex problems that require advanced mathematical knowledge. Thus, it's always best to seek the guidance of a qualified teacher or expert in the field. Now, back to ChatGPT prompts for mathematics. Math help. Ask ChatGPT to explain math concepts in easy-to-understand terms or provide step-by-step instructions for solving a problem. Prompt: I want you to act as a math teacher. I will provide some mathematical equations or concepts, and it will be your job to explain them in easy-to-understand terms. This could include providing step-by-step instructions for solving a problem, demonstrating various techniques with visuals, or suggesting online resources for further study. My first request is, I need help understanding how probability works. With this prompt, ChatGPT will teach you about math concepts with examples and step-by-step problem solving. Whether you ask about a math concept or a specific problem, it will go into detail to talk about how it works. Be mindful, as I have said earlier, ChatGPT is not specifically programmed to solve complex problems. Thus, it's always best to seek the guidance of your teacher. 6. Motivational speeches. Ask ChatGPT to generate a powerful speech focusing on the emotions you want to ignite. Prompt: I want you to act as a motivational speaker. Put together words that inspire action and make people feel empowered to do something beyond their abilities. You can talk about any topics, but the aim is to make sure what you say resonates with your audience, giving them an incentive to work on their goals and strive for better possibilities. My first request is, I need a speech about how everyone should never give up, and this is catered for university students. 7. Tech reviews. Ask ChatGPT to provide you with an in-depth review of a tech device, including pros, cons, features, and comparisons to similar products. Prompt: I want you to act as a tech reviewer. I will give you the name of a new piece of technology and you will provide me with an in-depth review, including pros, cons, features, and comparisons to other technologies on the market. My first suggestion request is, I am reviewing iPhone 14 Pro Max. 8. Poetry writing. Ask ChatGPT to write a poem about a given topic that evokes emotions in beautiful and meaningful ways. You can also ask it to be funny or witty. Prompt: I want you to act as a poet. You will create poems that evoke emotions and have the power to stir people's soul. Write on any topic or theme, but make sure your words convey the feeling you are trying to express in beautiful yet meaningful ways. You can also come up with short verses that are still powerful enough to leave an imprint in readers' minds. My first request is, I need a poem about love. This prompt heavily focuses on poetry that evokes emotions, which should work fine for most types of poetry topics. If you want ChatGPT to be funny or witty a little, then you can add a line asking to make it funny. Based on the prompts provided, here is my secret general template you could use to ask ChatGPT anything. I want you to act as an expert in the field of X. I will ask you questions about various topics within X, and you will provide me with accurate and concise information. Your responses should be specific to the information requested, and unnecessary details should be avoided. Let's begin exploring X. Remember, you can also ask ChatGPT to act as a grade 5 pupil. The response will be acted upon accordingly to the required grade level. The X in this template can be replaced with your desired topic, allowing ChatGPT to provide comprehensive information solely on that subject. Remember, these prompts act as a template for you to understand the utilities of ChatGPT for you as a student. But don't stop at using only these prompts. Instead, think creatively and work effectively to create descriptive AI prompts. Final thoughts. To have quick access to these complex prompts, I recommend saving them somewhere for easy retrieval. Additionally, a useful trick to get better results is to paste the same question into a new chat. Remember, these ChatGPT responses can be detected by AI tools like Originality, AI, GPT-0, and many more. Stay tuned for my next video where I'll reveal the secret to avoiding detection by these tools. Don't miss it. Please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the like button to show your support. Thank you.